Welcome. Today, we're diving into DataStage Nodes. These little workhorses manage data processing tasks. Think of them as chefs in a busy kitchen, each prepping a dish separately. When they work in parallel, magic happens, efficiency skyrockets. But hold on, without proper setup, things can get messy. Let's ensure our nodes know exactly what they are supposed to do. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine a relay race, each runner handling a section instead of running the whole track. That's parallel processing. Nodes break the workload into pieces and tackle them separately. The result, faster execution and no frustrating bottlenecks. Handling massive data sets becomes a breeze when everything is divided smartly. Think of configuration files like a rulebook for your data stage setup. They dictate who gets what resources. Without them, it's chaos. Proper allocation ensures everything runs smoothly and data doesn't get stuck in traffic. A well-managed configuration file is the secret sauce for seamless operations. Do you go solo or form a team? Single-node setups are like working alone, simple but limited. Multi-node setups are a team effort, stronger but needing coordination. Balance is everything. Choosing the right setup depends on workload, so let's make sure our nodes don't feel overworked and underappreciated. Let's talk about environment variables. They help us keep things flexible and secure. Instead of cluttering your code with secret keys, toss them in a env file like a responsible coder. Accessing them is as easy as calling process. Env, think of it as Node's way of whispering secrets to you. And please, never hardcode credentials unless you want to unintentionally make cybersecurity your next career. Testing node configurations is like checking your parachute before skydiving. You really want to get it right. Debugging tools can be your best friend, catching issues before they cause chaos. If your app misbehaves, blame the dependencies first. It's always their fault. Validate your configs thoroughly, because one wrong setting can send you on a wild goose chase. And unit tests, they're not optional unless you enjoy debugging in production. Troubleshooting is basically detective work, but instead of a magnifying glass, you get cryptic error messages. Always start with logs because they love spilling secrets. And dependencies can be sneaky troublemakers, so check those first. Network issues. Time to play the is it me or the server game. And when in doubt, restart and clear your cache. Because let's be honest, sometimes the magic fix is just turning it off and on again. Best practices matter because bad practices turn into horror stories. Keep configurations well organized to avoid future headaches. Use different settings for dev, test, and production environments, because mixing them up leads to nightmares. Good logging saves lives, or at least hours of debugging, and security should never be an afterthought. Follow the rules, because a well-configured node setup is the key to smooth sailing. Welcome to Advanced Node Customization, where we make node do tricks. Tweaking server settings can make things run faster and smoother. Optimizing memory prevents your app from being a resource hog. Multi-threading. Yes, please. It speeds things up without overworking the main thread. And custom modules are like giving your code superpowers. Use them wisely. So we've covered node configurations from basic to advanced. Pat yourself on the back. Remember, best practices exist for a reason, to save you from disaster. Keep learning because technology won't wait for you to catch up. And always have resources handy, because no one memorizes everything, not even the experts. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.